Hey everyone! In this video, we are going to look at NordVPN, one of the most trusted tools for online privacy and security. To get started with NordVPN, first go to the official website. At the top of the page, you will see a Download VPN drop-down menu. Click on it and select the device you're using. For example, if you are on Windows, choose Windows. If you are on Mac OS, iOS, Android, Linux, or want to install a browser extension, you can choose those options as well. After you select your device, the download will begin. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer and follow the steps to complete the installation. After it is installed, open NordVPN. You will be asked to log in. Enter your NordVPN account email and password. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, you will notice a map in the center and a list of countries on the left side. Each country represents available servers that you can connect to. Clicking on a country will automatically connect you to the fastest server available there. If you want more control, you can expand the list to see specific cities or servers. In addition to normal servers, NordVPN also offers a group of specialty servers. These are found in the same left panel of the application and are designed for situations where you need more than a standard VPN connection. The first type is dedicated IP. With a normal VPN, your IP address is shared with many other users on the same server. This is fine for most people, but in some cases, you may need an IP address that always stays the same and belongs only to you. A dedicated IP solves this. It is useful if you often log in to banking services, corporate networks, or online platforms that flag shared IP addresses as suspicious. It also makes it easier to avoid constant verification checks and CAPTCHAs because websites recognize your dedicated IP as consistent and trustworthy. Next is double VPN. This is a feature for people who want extra layers of encryption and privacy. Instead of your traffic passing through one VPN server, it passes through two different servers in two different locations. The first server encrypts your traffic, then sends it to the second server, which encrypts it again before sending it out to the internet. This makes it far more difficult for anyone to trace your activity back to you. It is especially useful if you are handling sensitive information or if you want maximum protection against surveillance. While it may slightly reduce your connection speed, the added security is worth it for users who value complete privacy. Then we have obfuscated servers. These are designed for use in countries where internet access is heavily restricted or monitored. In these places, normal VPN traffic can sometimes be blocked. Obfuscated servers disguise your VPN connection so that it looks like regular browsing traffic. This makes it possible to bypass censorship and connect safely to the internet, even in environments where VPNs are not normally allowed. It is a powerful option if you are traveling to or living in a country with strict internet rules. Another option is Onion over VPN. This combines NordVPN with the Tor network, often called the Onion network. Normally, if you want to use Tor for anonymity, you need to download a separate Tor browser. But with Onion over VPN, you get the privacy of Tor directly inside your NordVPN connection. Your data first goes through a NordVPN server and is then routed through multiple Tor relays, which makes it extremely difficult for anyone to trace your online activity. Finally, there are P2P servers. These are optimized for peer-to-peer file sharing. If you often download or upload large files, such as when using torrent software, these servers are the best choice. They are designed to handle high bandwidth and allow you to share files more efficiently while staying protected. Using P2P servers ensures your activities remain private and that your connection is not interrupted while transferring large files. Now let's look at the options in the left panel menu. The first one is Threat Protection. Inside this section, you will see three options. The first is Anti-Malware, which scans files before they are downloaded to make sure they are safe. The second is Advanced Browsing Protection, which blocks access to dangerous websites that may contain malware, phishing scams, or other threats. The third is the Ad Tracker and Blocker, which stops intrusive ads and prevents tracking scripts from collecting data about your browsing habits. Below Threat Protection is the File Transfer option. This is part of the MeshNet feature and allows you to securely share files between your devices or with trusted contacts. The transfers are encrypted, which makes them safe and private. Below that, you will see devices under MeshNet. Here, you can connect your own devices together or connect with trusted friends and co-workers. Once enabled, you can share files, work on projects, or even play games together on a private encrypted network. The next option is Dark Web Monitor. This feature constantly checks if your email address linked with NordVPN appears in leaked databases on the dark web. If it does, you will be notified so you can change your password before your account is compromised. Now let's move into the settings section. This is where you can customize how NordVPN works on your device. In the General tab, you will see several options. The first is Launch at Startup. If you enable this, NordVPN will open automatically every time you turn on your computer. Appearance allows you to choose whether NordVPN follows your system theme or if you want to switch manually between light mode and dark mode. Language lets you change the interface language of the app. There is also an option to show VPN connection status notifications. This will give you a notification whenever you connect or disconnect from a server, so you always know your VPN status. You will also see the option to show MeshNet file sharing in the Windows context menu. This lets you right-click a file and quickly share it through MeshNet. In addition to the general settings, you can also explore the connection and security settings. This section allows you to fine-tune how NordVPN works when you are online. One of the main options here is the VPN protocol. NordVPN gives you a choice between NordLynx and OpenVPN. NordLynx is NordVPN's own protocol built around WireGuard technology. It is designed to be very fast while still being secure. OpenVPN is the older and more traditional protocol. It is trusted for its reliability and strong encryption, although it may not always be as fast as NordLynx. Depending on whether you want speed or maximum compatibility, you can switch between these protocols. Another useful feature here is Auto Connect. With Auto Connect turned on, NordVPN will automatically start a connection whenever you go online. You do not need to remember to switch it on every time. Kill Switch is another powerful option in the security settings. Normally, if your VPN connection drops for any reason, your internet traffic might briefly continue without protection, exposing your real IP address. With Kill Switch enabled, NordVPN will instantly block your entire internet connection until the VPN reconnects. This ensures that your identity and activity are never revealed, even for a split second. There are two types of Kill Switch. One can block the whole internet connection, and the other allows you to set it only for specific apps. Both give you strong control over your privacy. Split tunneling is also available in these settings. This feature allows you to decide which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones connect to the internet directly. By taking time to understand these features and settings, you can customize NordVPN to work exactly how you need it. Whether you want to keep it simple and just connect to a server, or you want to use advanced features like specialty servers, MeshNet, and threat protection, NordVPN gives you the tools to stay secure and private online. NordVPN is more than just a VPN. It combines strong encryption with useful extras like malware protection, file sharing, dark web monitoring, and a massive server network. By setting it up properly and exploring the settings, you can make sure you get the most out of your subscription and browse the internet with confidence. Thanks for watching.